Today we are going to look at another important Excel function, that is average and AVERAGEA function. AVERAGEA function returns the average of the values in a column. Average function returns the average of all the numbers in a column. AVERAGEA function evaluates the logical values true and false and numbers represented as text. But average function skips these values during calculation. A cell with text is considered as 0. A cell with true is considered as 1 and false as 0. All cells with numbers would be taken as their actual numbers. But in average function, only numeric values are considered. Let's calculate the average of these cells. If we select the entire range, that is B2 to B8, the answer is 25. Here only numeric values are considered, that is 20 plus 25 plus 30 divided by 3. AVERAGEA function returns the average of its arguments, evaluating text, and false in arguments as 0, true evaluates as 1. Arguments can be numbers, names, arrays, or references. So we can get the average of these figures using AVERAGEA function. Here these two text values are considered as 0. True is considered as 1. And false is evaluated as 0. These are taken as actual numbers.